parking spot getting ready to go trout fish on the Chattooga. Jonathan's getting all bundled up. This is May 3rd, but it looks like it's a lot windier than we thought it'd be. First fish of the day. There's a small brown on a rainbow crankbait. Crankbait. Here we go. Rainbow. Two to one.
The morning has warmed up, so Jonathan has shed some of his layers. Fortunately, he later took off that red shirt.
There's a pretty good rainbow here. Caught on a rainbow crankbait. Lunch break. I mean, you got, it's about 1 o'clock. We're fishing the Chattooga River, and I've caught about 6, most of them rainbows. I got one brown, but I've caught them all on little crankbaits. And what have you been using? Rooster tail. There's my rooster tail. There's the crankbait. And I got 4. So he's got me there. We still got several hours to fish. Beautiful day, a little breezy but sunny. Beautiful river. All right. Let me see it. Yeah. I'm switching to my Countdown Rapala in gold. Gets down a little bit deeper. Hey! I can go for the camera too. Alright, there we go. Beautiful brown trout. We headed that way.
This is what you do when your $10 fishing lure gets hung up in the river. You go after it.
Hold on to it. Let's see it. Hold it for me. He ain't getting off. Pull it up and hold it in your hand. I see your hand. Turns the other way. Jonathan got one more fish, fairly small one. It's about the end of the day. It's getting close to 6 p.m. That makes about 12 trout for both of us, ones that we actually caught. Hooked lots of them. Get on. There you go. We've been fishing all day here on the Chattooga River and had a great time. It's a beautiful river. We each caught about 12 trout apiece, rainbows and some browns. And I caught most of mine on different types of crankbaits, little rapalas, countdowns, and joined in different ones in the brown or the rainbow colors. And Jonathan used a spinner, like a rooster tail, also like brown ones. Yeah. And we stayed in the river waiting most of the day. And to do that, it helps to have a stick to help keep you stable.
A bamboo.
Yeah.
This one's bamboo.
And the other thing is, he's using Crocs. I wear wading boots with felt on the bottom. That really helps a lot. And if you want to keep the fish, or if you want to secure the fish to take a picture of them, it helps to have a net. Because when you bring them up, they're just flopping all over the place. But this is Jonathan's first time on the Chattooga River. What'd you think?
Oh, that's good. It's not too deep. Just gotta walk a lot. Get away from everybody else.
It is. We didn't see any other fishermen all day.
But it was 50 degrees and windy, and we're standing in the water, so.
But it's
we're going crazy.
It's sunny and warm right now. It
feels great.
It's a good day.
Yeah.
This is early May, and I highly recommend it.
It's a good time.